Hello guys and welcome to another video. I will be showing you a new app called Easy Bucks. Invitation code will be in the description. This is the homepage of the app. You can earn by completing surveys, similar to Poll Pay. You can also play Gamesto earn money. These are all the payout methods that I can withdraw in my country. In your country it might be different to mine. You can also earn money by referring your friends. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. This is the invitation code in case I forgot to put in description. By entering my invitation code you will get a 250 starting bonus.